Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit PDF file on mobile. So it's totally free. So firstly what you have to do is you have to make sure that you have a PDF file. So if I go to my file manager and go to documents, you can see there is a lot of PDF files. I'm going to edit one of them. So after assuring that you have a PDF file, you have to go to Play Store, and if you are using iOS you have to go for your App Store and type in the search bar Microsoft Office, and you have to install this application on your mobile. If you have already, then just tap to open it and you are going to see this interface. Then what you have to do is you have to get back and go to your file manager again, go to documents and tap on the PDF file you want to edit. Like I want to edit this one, and you can see this gives me the options like I want to open with Canva, PDF Drive, Office or Hi browser. I am just going for Microsoft Office. Click on this and this will open my PDF file into Microsoft Office. Then what you have to do is you just have to click on these three dots and you can see this option convert to Word. It will show you this conversion in progress. So now our PDF file is converted into Word, and you can click this icon for mobile view. Like you can change the view from tapping this icon here, and now we are on mobile view, so that's easy for edit. Now if you want to edit, like you want to edit this heading, go for this, erase it, and whatever you want just type, like work product sale. I want to type sale here. Like anything you want to change, you can change now because we converted this PDF into Word. Now after editing, like I edited, so I have to convert it in PDF again. So we have to click on these three dots again. You are going to see these options. You can see this share as PDF. You have to tap on it. This window will pop up getting file ready. You have to wait for a little bit. Then simply just click on this office and tap on sign a PDF. And you can see that the word we changed in Word is same here. Like we changed the word product sale and it's same here. And after this you have to click on these three dots again and you have to click on this save as button, and now you have to give the location where you want to save. Like I want to save in this folder, and then you have to name this whatever you want. I'll give a name edit PDF. Then just simply click on this save button and your edited PDF file is saved now. Now if you go for file manager, tap on this document and you can see in the top list edit PDF. You have to click on this. Now you can choose whatever you want, just open it and you can see this work product sale. Like we change in Word, it's still same. Now that's how you can edit your PDF file on mobile. So if this video helped you out, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.